Welcome to the future of estate planning. In today's digital age, we don't just leave behind physical possessions, we leave behind entire online worlds. From cryptocurrency wallets to cherished family photos stored in the cloud, your digital assets hold immense value, both financially and emotionally. But have you ever wondered, who will manage these assets when you're no longer around? In this video, we're diving into one of the most important steps in digital estate planning, designating a digital fiduciary. Your digital executor or trustee isn't just another name on a document. They're the guardian of your online legacy. We'll explore how to choose the right person to handle your digital treasures, why their role is so vital, and how clear communication can make all the difference for your loved ones. Whether it's ensuring your family can access important accounts or passing on your digital memories, this is a decision that will impact generations to come. Your digital life matters. Let's make sure it's in the right hands. Stay tuned to learn how to protect your online world and create a plan that truly honors your legacy. Choosing a digital executor or trustee. Choosing a digital executor or trustee is a crucial step in estate planning for digital assets. This individual will be responsible for managing and distributing your digital assets according to your wishes after your passing. Here are some key considerations to keep in mind when selecting a digital executor or trustee. Digital literacy. It is essential to choose someone who is comfortable and proficient with technology. Your digital executor should be familiar with different types of digital assets, such as online accounts, cryptocurrencies, and digital files. 2. Trustworthiness. Select someone you trust completely to carry out your wishes regarding your digital assets. Consider their integrity, reliability, and ability to handle sensitive information. 3. Legal and financial knowledge. Your digital executor should have a good understanding of estate planning laws and regulations, as well as the financial implications of managing digital assets. They may need to work closely with legal and financial professionals to ensure proper asset distribution. 4. Organizational skills. Managing digital assets can be complex, especially if you have accounts across various platforms and devices. Your digital executor should be organized and detail-oriented to keep track of all your digital assets and ensure they are distributed correctly. 5. Communication skills. Your digital executor should be able to communicate effectively with family members, beneficiaries, and service providers to carry out your wishes smoothly. They should also be able to explain technical details in a clear and understandable manner. 6. Availability. Consider the availability of your chosen digital executor. They should be willing and able to take on the responsibilities of managing your digital assets promptly after your passing. 7. Backup plan. It is advisable to have a backup digital executor in case your primary choice is unable to fulfill their duties. Make sure both individuals are aware of their roles and responsibilities. When choosing a digital executor or trustee, it is essential to have open and honest conversations about your wishes regarding your digital assets. Clearly outline your expectations and provide detailed instructions on how you want your digital assets to be managed and distributed. Working with legal professionals experienced in digital estate planning can also help ensure that your wishes are carried out effectively. Responsibilities and powers of a digital fiduciary. A digital fiduciary is a person appointed to manage and oversee the digital assets of an individual after their passing or in the event of their incapacity. This role is crucial in today's digital age, where individuals store a significant amount of important information and assets online. The responsibilities and powers of a digital fiduciary are outlined below. Identification and inventory of digital assets. One of the primary responsibilities of a digital fiduciary is to identify and take inventory of all the digital assets owned by the individual. This includes but is not limited to online accounts, social media profiles, email accounts, digital photos and videos, cryptocurrency holdings, domain names, and intellectual property stored online. 2. Access and management of digital accounts. The digital fiduciary should have the authority to access and manage the individual's digital accounts as necessary. This may involve logging into online accounts, closing or transferring accounts, retrieving important documents or files, and ensuring the security of sensitive information. 3. Compliance with terms of service and privacy policies. The digital fiduciary must understand and comply with the terms of service and privacy policies of the various online platforms and service providers where the individual's digital assets are stored. This includes adhering to any restrictions on transferring or accessing the assets and ensuring that the individual's privacy is respected. 4. Protection of digital assets. It is essential for the digital fiduciary to take steps to protect the security and integrity of the individual's digital assets. This may involve setting up secure passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, encrypting sensitive information, and safeguarding against hacking or data breaches. 5. Digital estate planning. The digital fiduciary should work closely with the individual to create a comprehensive digital estate plan that outlines how their digital assets should be managed and distributed upon their passing. This plan may include instructions for transferring ownership of online accounts, accessing encrypted data, and preserving digital assets with sentimental or monetary value. 6. Communication with service providers and legal authorities. In some cases, the digital fiduciary may need to communicate with online service providers, financial institutions, and legal authorities to carry out their responsibilities effectively. This could involve providing proof of authority to access digital accounts, resolving disputes over ownership of digital assets, or complying with legal requirements related to digital estate administration. The responsibilities and powers of a digital fiduciary are crucial for ensuring the proper management and protection of an individual's digital assets. By understanding and fulfilling these duties, the digital fiduciary can help preserve the digital legacy of the individual and ensure that their wishes are carried out in an organized and secure manner. Communicating digital asset wishes to family members and fiduciaries. Communicating your digital asset wishes to your family members and fiduciaries is a crucial aspect of estate planning for digital assets. In the modern age, where much of our lives are lived online, it is important to ensure that your loved ones and appointed representatives are aware of your digital assets and know how to access and manage them in the event of your incapacity or passing. 1. Inventory of digital assets. The first step in communicating your digital asset wishes is to create a comprehensive inventory of all your digital assets. This includes, but is not limited to, online accounts such as email, social media, banking and investment accounts, digital photos and videos, cryptocurrency, and any other digital property you may own. Make sure to list out the account names, login credentials, security questions, and any other relevant information that will be needed to access these assets. 2. Designate a digital executor. Consider appointing a digital executor in your estate plan. This person will be responsible for managing your digital assets in accordance with your wishes after your passing. Make sure to discuss your digital assets with this individual and provide them with the necessary information to access and administer these assets. 3. Document your wishes. Clearly document your wishes regarding your digital assets in your estate planning documents. Specify how you would like your digital assets to be handled, whether you want them to be transferred to specific individuals, deleted, or managed in a certain way. Be sure to update these instructions regularly to reflect any changes in your digital asset inventory or preferences. 4. Communicate with family members. Discuss your digital asset wishes with your family members to ensure they are aware of the existence and importance of these assets. Clearly communicate who your digital executor is and how they can be contacted in case of an emergency. Encourage open communication and provide guidance on how your loved ones can access your digital assets when needed. 5. Provide instructions and access. In addition to documenting your wishes, provide detailed instructions on how to access your digital assets. This may include creating a secure document or digital vault with all necessary login information and security details. Make sure to update this information regularly and inform your family members and fiduciaries of any changes. By proactively communicating your digital asset wishes to your family members and fiduciaries, you can ensure that your digital legacy is managed according to your preferences and that your loved ones have the necessary information to navigate your digital estate effectively. Planning ahead and keeping open lines of communication can help alleviate confusion and streamline the process of handling your digital assets during a challenging time. Creating a plan for transitioning digital assets to heirs. Creating a plan for transitioning digital assets to heirs is a crucial aspect of estate planning in the digital age. As technology continues to advance, individuals have accumulated a significant amount of digital assets, such as online accounts, social media profiles, digital currency, and digital media. Without a clear plan in place, These digital assets may be lost or inaccessible to loved ones after the individual passes away. Here are some key considerations and steps to create a comprehensive plan for transitioning digital assets to heirs. Inventory and identify digital assets. The first step in creating a plan for transitioning digital assets is to compile a comprehensive inventory of all digital assets. This includes online accounts such as email, social media, banking, investment accounts, digital media, photos, videos, domain names, digital currency, and any other valuable digital assets. It is important to document the login credentials, account numbers, and any other relevant information for each digital asset. 2. Designate a digital executor. Just like a traditional executor for a will, it is important to designate a digital executor who will be responsible for managing and distributing digital assets according to your wishes. The digital executor should be someone you trust and who is comfortable with technology. Clearly outline the responsibilities and authority of the digital executor in your estate plan. 3. Specify your wishes for each digital asset. For each digital asset in your inventory, specify your wishes for how you would like them to be handled after your passing. This may include transferring ownership, deleting accounts, or preserving digital content for sentimental value. It is important to clearly communicate your wishes to your digital executor and loved ones. 4. Securely store. Access information. Given the sensitive nature of digital assets, it is crucial to securely store access information such as usernames, passwords, and encryption keys. Consider using a secure password manager or digital vault to store this information. Make sure to keep this information up to date and accessible to your digital executor. 5. Update your estate plan regularly. As digital assets and technology evolve, it is important to regularly review and update your estate plan to ensure that it reflects your current digital assets and wishes. Include provisions in your will or trust that specifically address the disposition of digital assets. 6. Communicate your plan to loved ones. Lastly, it is essential to communicate your plan for transitioning digital assets to your heirs. Make sure your loved ones are aware of the existence of digital assets, the designated digital executor, and your wishes for each digital asset. Providing clear instructions and guidance will help facilitate a smooth transition of digital assets after your passing. Creating a plan for transitioning digital assets to heirs is an integral part of estate planning in today's digital world. By taking proactive steps to inventory, designate a digital executor, specify your wishes, securely store access information, update your estate plan, and communicate your plan to loved ones, you can ensure that your digital assets are effectively managed and transferred to heirs according to your wishes. Your digital legacy, their lasting memory. Imagine the stories your online presence tells, the family photos capturing milestones, the heartfelt emails that hold your voice, the investments you worked so hard to build. These digital treasures are more than just data. They are reflections of a life well lived and loved. By designating the right digital fiduciary, you take a profound step in safeguarding these memories and resources for the people who matter most. This isn't just about passing on passwords. It's about passing on peace of mind, preserving your legacy, and ensuring your wishes are honored long after you're gone. Your loved ones deserve clarity in the chaos, guidance in the unknown, and the gift of your careful planning. Through thoughtful communication and a clear plan, you have the power to turn the complex digital age into a seamless, meaningful transition. Your digital world is part of your story. Make sure it's one they can hold on to forever. Take this step with confidence, knowing you're creating not just a plan, but a legacy of love, foresight, and care.